This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and here's a train coming around the bend here at the Beaconsfield Footbridge on the 22nd of October 2022, about 4:15 p.m. There might be a commuter train as well, so there might be a 2-for-1 in this video. This train is running slow. So it looks like a lot of hopper cars. Oop. Depressed center flat car. Special one with 6 trucks. Unfortunately it's empty. And yeah, if the commuter train comes, I'll be able to get it in the back there. So as you can see, the leaves are all changing color, and this is an unusually warm October day. I was able to bike out here. So, oh, Grand Trunk, look at that. An old 1970s Grand Trunk Western boxcar. Here's a lot of gondola cars. There's no sign of the commuter train yet. So the end of this train is coming up though. There it is. It's heading westbound. Yeah, I did see the commuter train, although it's making its station stop at 4:14 at St. Anne de Bellevue, so it is now about 4:15 or 16. So in about 2 or 3 minutes it's going to come. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.